Hey everybody, it is time for another mom box. This one just came in today. I never know exactly what's in here. I do know that there are 4 banners in here that I will try to get listed on Etsy shortly. They are the embroidered ones, the ones that have the vintage embroidery. My desk is a big mess, but that is not unusual, so try and make room here. There we go. All right. What do we got? Okay, these are the little plastic containers that I use for itty bitty ephemera kits. Like a couple of years ago, Mom found a whole case of them at a church garage sale and picked them up for me, and we've been filling them with itty bitty goodness ever since. I'll show them to you here for those who are not familiar. They look like, find one that is together here, like that. So that's pretty cool. I was getting low. You guys are awesome and you've been buying them. We got more of these miscellaneous postcards, so I'll be making up some more packs of random postcards for Etsy. Look at that. North Dakota. That's pretty, huh? Love it. Oh, here's one with writing to Dorothy. Oh, that's cute. All right, those are fun. Cool, cool, cool. Here's some more. She said she's got even more, so. Oh my goodness. I'll have to sit down and look at those pretty closely later. A mosquito postcard. That's funny. Tourists taste great. Oh my goodness. Alright. What is this? Mountain songs. Cute. Snowbound. Price is 6 cents. That's so cute. The moon above the eastern wood shone at its full. The hill range stood, transfigured in the silver flood, its blown snows flashing cold and keen, dead white save where some sharp ravine took shadow, or the somber green of hemlocks turned to pitchy black against the whiteness at their back. So this is like a big long poem. That's pretty cool. Oh, the sun just is messing with us now. I opened the curtains to get a little light because it was overcast, and now the sun is beating in. Oh, the Palmer method of business writing. Look at these. How cool is that? Love it. Oh, look at that picture. I kind of just want to frame that. That's so cute. I don't know what that says. Spencerian system of penmanship. Wow. That's cool. I don't know how old this is, but it's cool. Copyright 1888. Well, my. Oh, look at the babies. Oh. I love old photos so much. I don't know what it is, but I just love them. Here's more postcards. Mom, I can't believe you still have more. That's wild. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of postcards. Wow. Mount Rainier. I said Mount Rushmore. That's cool. Let's get those in the right pile here. Norway and Germany. Ooh, that's some cool envelopes. Look at that. I like marble. Adhesive square label pockets. That's neat. I'll put those in journals. Fun. This is some vintage Monopoly instructions. Probably goes with these. Oh, wow, look at this. This is some seriously vintage Monopoly money. That's the old stuff right there. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get a bin just for Monopoly stuff because I'm starting to get quite a bit of it. It comes in faster than it goes out. Little metal hoo-has, that's cool. Glue those onto something fun. Oh, funny, I had some cards that were this brand. That's awesome, now I have some more. Let's see. More cards. I love those for my packs, variety packs of playing cards that I have on Etsy. Elf charades. What is Elf? Camera, what is Elf doing? Laughing. I don't get it. Oh, it's like clues that you have to act out. Got it. I'm a little slow today. Well, those are fun. Thank you, Mom. Looks like we have some more photos here. Oh, look at his curly hair. That's fun. More babies. Oh, so cute. So family. She's adorable. Oh, that stroller. I don't know if you can see that stroller in the background, but that's amazing. Okay, I'm running out of room for piles. I know this is plastic. I have a big sheet of it. I don't know if anything you can use. Oh yeah. Huh. So I wonder if it's like a, well, it doesn't seem like a sticker, but you could glue it. It would be cute on anything. Yeah, I can use that. For sure, for sure. This is just fabric, I think. But I always have to check because Mom likes to wrap miscellaneous little tiny things up sometimes. Glacier National Park, little souvenir book. That's cute, vintage. Little tiny postcards, we love that. A little wooden spool for my collection. I have a big jar of those. Alright, this is what you guys have been waiting to see. I know I have at least one person waiting for these. Let me get the box out of the way so they lay flat here. Alright, let's do this first one. So my mom makes these banners out of you know, reclaimed embroidered pieces that, you know, like a tablecloth that might have stains, or pillowcases that might have holes, or whatever. So she reclaims the materials, cuts out the good parts, and makes these beautiful banners. And they have little pockets, and so I'll put some little ephemera pieces in there before I get them listed. Very cute, very cute. Look at the colors. Amazing. How fun. I love this one. Like each little banner, each little pennant is a work of art, let alone the whole banner. Very cool. Oh, that's fun. Someday I'm gonna have a big clear table just for filming stuff. I'm just kidding, because I'll probably fill it up with projects. Very cool. Little vintage key on this one. That's fun. Let me grab the other ones. Oh, that's really pretty. Amazing. It's just awesome. So yeah, I gotta get to work and fill those little pockets and get them lifted. I'm sorry I can't remember who it was that was waiting for one of these. But we got 4, so we have a good selection. And I still have 2 of the banners that she made that are white on white. Those are really gorgeous too, so those are available right now in the shop. So that's awesome. Very beautiful, Mom. Great job. All right, you guys, that's it for this box. Thanks for hanging out with me. Keep an eye open on Instagram, and I'll post when these are listed on Etsy. Thanks, and I'll catch you next time.